Listen carefully, because what I'm about to say might challenge everything you believed about yourself, your pain, and your failures. There are two kinds of people in this world: those who live reacting to life, tired, anxious, and blaming the world, and those who create life, calm in chaos, unshaken by failure, and unstoppable in pursuit of their purpose. The difference? It's not luck, it's not intelligence, it's not money, it is the mindset. A powerful mind doesn't just think positive, it chooses faith when everything looks impossible. It's the ability to walk through fire without losing belief. A positive mental attitude isn't about pretending everything is fine. It's about knowing that even the darkest night will end. And when it does, you'll still be standing. History's greatest achievers, Carnegie, Ford, Edison, Rockefeller, they weren't born fearless. They built their strength through failures. They didn't run from problems. They studied them. They didn't surrender to pain. They used it as fuel. You can do the same. But first, you must understand this. Your mind is never neutral. It's always being controlled, either by your fears or by your focus. If you don't take command of your mind, the world will. If you don't master your thoughts, they will master you. The greatest battle you'll ever fight is not against others, it's against your own limitations. Most of your suffering doesn't come from your circumstances, it comes from how your mind interprets them. Two people can face the same storm, one grows stronger, the other falls apart. The difference is perception. When you see life as a problem, you weaken. When you see it as a challenge, you awaken. You can't solve problems with the same mind that created them. To change your life, you must change your energy. Your thoughts and emotions build a vibration, and that vibration attracts everything that matches it. You don't get what you want, you get what you are. Relax your heart, quiet your mind, and rise in awareness. When the heart is calm, the mind becomes sharp. When the heart is full of fear, the mind becomes blind. Train your body to feel peace even in the middle of chaos. That's how you regulate your emotions. That's how you take back control. Your subconscious accepts only what matches your emotional state. If you say, "I'm successful," but you feel worthless, your body will reject that thought. To change your life, you must first change the emotions you live in. Always speak greatness into yourself. Always talk as if you are already the person you dream of becoming. Because the truth is, you've never stopped being that innocent, powerful child within you. You just forgot who you are. Focus on the good. Feel gratitude for what's coming. Write your goals every morning. You're not just making a list, you're programming your mind. Your vibration becomes a magnet, attracting people, chances, and miracles aligned with your vision. Don't wait for your dream to happen. Live as if it already has. Feel it, believe it, act on it, and the universe will rearrange itself to match your energy. Transformation takes time and faith, but when you stop trying to change the world around you and start changing the world within you, everything outside will follow. That's not magic, that's alignment. Forgive, not because they deserve it, but because you deserve peace. When you stop feeding pain with your attention, you reclaim your energy, and with that energy, you can create again. If you want success, learn from those who've already built it. Follow their steps, copy their mindset, and don't stop until your story inspires the next one. 95% of success begins in the mind. The rest is patience, discipline, and courage. Decide today. You're done living small. You're done waiting. You're done surviving. Today, you rise. If you're serious about building wealth, peace, and power, subscribe now. Your future self will thank you.